Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about why temperature transmitters are installed at an angle. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to leave a comment below. A temperature transmitter is often installed inclined in a system, vessel, or pipeline for the following practical and engineering reasons. 1. Prevent condensate accumulation. In steam or condensate service, inclination ensures that condensate or liquid doesn't collect around the sensor tip, which could give false readings. This helps maintain accurate and quick temperature response. 2. Better heat transfer and contact. An inclined position allows the thermowell or sensor tip to reach deeper into the fluid stream, especially in pipelines, ensuring better contact with the flowing medium. This improves measurement accuracy and response time. 3. Avoid air pockets or gas trapping. In liquid systems, if the transmitter is placed vertically at the top, air or gas might get trapped at the sensor tip. Inclination helps in venting such gases, maintaining full liquid contact. 4. Ease of maintenance. Inclined installations provide easier access for maintenance or replacement of the sensor or thermowell, especially in tight spaces. 5. Minimize mechanical stress. Vertical mounting in tall vessels can lead to bending stress on long thermowells. An inclined position can reduce mechanical load. Advantages. Inclined installation of temperature transmitters improves measurement accuracy, drainage or venting, sensor lifespan, maintenance convenience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's a video you want us to make, just drop it in the comments.